shadows dance and whispers echo, where the veil between worlds thins, we dare to ask what's really out there. Join us as we venture into the spirit realm, armed with science, skepticism, and a healthy dose of curiosity. This is Paranormal Declassified, The Spirit Files, a podcast by Mount Washington Valley Spirit Paranormal Investigators. Here is your host, Eric Extreme.
Hey, Spirit Squad, get ready for a plot twist. The Mount Washington Valley Spirit Podcast is getting a makeover. I'm your host, Eric Extreme, and I'm leveling up to the Paranormal Declassified, The Spirit Files. Think of it as the same paranormal podcast with a new avatar, a fresh vibe, and we'll be decoding the mysteries of the afterlife. Why the power-up? Because you, my crew, hit me up for it. You wanted lit mysteries and spooky subjects, so I'm throwing down. What's staying the same? I'm still debunking those crazy TV ghost hunting myths, teaching you legit investigation skills without those silly gadgets that are bunk, and helping you find real info drops for those bumps in the night. We're talking sweet case studies, dissecting paranormal history like a Thanksgiving turkey, and laying my eyes on those haunted locations you've seen on TV. Think Mythbusters, but for the paranormal. Plus, we'll be checking out the most fervent beliefs to the most hardened skepticism. Don't sweat it. You don't have to do anything to chill with the paranormal partay. If it hasn't already, the new name and artwork will manifest in your podcast app soon. We will scope out some fire spooky subjects, plus occasional miniseries when I really want to unleash my inner paranormal geek. So you're probably saying, what the heck is this declassified thing all about? Well, forget about the tired investigations and predictable ghost hunts. We're cranking up the bass and going full-on deep dive into the stuff that makes your skin crawl and get your pulse slamming. We're talking about the mysteries that have confuzzled people for centuries, the kind of scare that keeps you up at night. I'm talking about the legends that have been whispered around campfires for generations, passed down through families like treasured secrets, and the unexplained phenomena that continue to freak people out. I'm also working on some dope video content for our YouTube channel. We're not just going to recycle some old ghost stories that you've seen a million times on TV, all hyped up and twisted for the cameras. The boss mode will be unlocked. I want to know what your brain is downloading. What's the one unexplained thing that you still lose your mind over? What's the story that you swear is true even if nobody else buys your hype? Tell me everything. Got a burning question or a creepy topic suggestion? Send it my way. This isn't about proving anyone right or wrong. It's about questioning the whole aesthetic and finding the hidden key. You can drop me a line at info@mwvspirit.com or hit me up on social media at mwvspirit. With a new grill and a new game, Paranormal Declassified, The Spirit Files is ready to unlock the next level, helping you stream the scene of the unexplained, declassified. Until our frequencies sync again, stay skeptical.
The echoes of the spirits may soften, but the mysteries we've touched upon in Paranormal Declassified, The Spirit Files, are but a breath in the ghostly expanse. The Mount Washington Valley Spirit Paranormal Investigators will continue their journey into the spirit realm, seeking to part the veils and glimpse the hidden wonders beyond. When the ethereal plane whispers more of its secrets, we will unlock the shadows of the beyond. The afterlife awaits us there.